Other new arrival, the 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 hardtop. I love this car. Olympic gold over black. Frame off restoration, an AACA junior winner. It's got the correct L35 396 cubic inch V8, correct turbo hydromatic 400 automatic, 12-bolt 307 axle. This thing is near flawless.
It is near flawless.
And we say that because the minute we say it's flawless, some guy's going to come in and go, well, there's a scratch, there's a rub.
There's no such thing as a flawless car.
Yeah.
We got a winner.
So chicken dinner.